How to change your name on Zelle. So basically what you want to do is move into your application Zelle. It could be on your iOS or Android device. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to Preferences and then you can go to Manage Payment Profile. Now from here you can see you can update the contact information. It is in a small letter right here. So just make sure to update any relevant information including your display name. So you can basically click on it and change the Zelle name. So in this page, not just the name, but you can change many more things than this. If you want to change your email address, then you can easily remove the previous email address and then enter the new one that you prefer. You can also change your phone number, but you need to make sure that you verify both your email address and the phone number that you enter. Without the verification code, you won't be able to change it. So that's all for today, and this was our tutorial video on how to change name on Zelle. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. Well, if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching it till the end.